Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. If you're already logged in, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down, tap on logout. Now you will see Facebook login screen. Here you will notice several account has been saved. Look for the account you want to remove. Then tap on the account name or tap the three dot. Even you can click on gear icon. Now tap remove account from devices. Tap remove. The account is now removed from your phone. If you want to remove another account, just repeat the same step. Tap on the three dot next to the account and remove it. Keep doing this until the account you want to remain. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.